Hey, gentlemen, welcome back to Men's Health and Vitality.
Have you noticed your teeth looking longer? Experiencing sensitivity when you drink something cold? Your gums might be receding, and what I'm about to share will completely flip everything your dentist told you on its head. Hey, Medical Miracle family, I'm about to reveal a natural method to regrow your gum tissue that goes against traditional dental advice. And yes, there's actual science backing this up. Did you know that over 50% of adults have some form of gum recession? Most dentists will tell you it's irreversible without surgery. But what if I told you they might be giving you the wrong advice? Stay with me until the end, because I'm sharing a two-step protocol that could save you thousands of dollars in dental surgery. But first, we need to understand what's really happening in your mouth. Let's talk about what gum recession actually is. Your gums literally pull back or wear away from your teeth, exposing the roots. This creates these little pockets where bacteria throw a party. And trust me, you're not invited to this party. The early warning signs are, number 1, tooth sensitivity, especially with cold foods or drinks. Number 2, your teeth suddenly look longer than they used to. Number 3, you can see or feel a notch near the gum line. And number 4, your gums bleed easily when brushing. Now here's what most people don't know. There are 6 main culprits causing your gums to recede. First, gum disease from poor oral hygiene. Bacteria builds up, your gums get infected, they bleed, swell, and literally peel away from your teeth. Second, bone loss. When gum disease gets advanced, the infection eats away at the bone, holding your teeth in place. No bone, no support for your gums. Third, teeth grinding and clenching. Every time you clench your jaw, you're swinging your teeth back and forth in the bone like a fence post. That creates gaps. Fourth, and this is huge, incorrect brushing technique. Not brushing enough? Gum disease. Brushing too hard? You're literally wearing your gums away. Fifth, plaque and tartar buildup. It's like letting construction debris pile up on your property. Eventually, something's going to give. And sixth, your gum type. Yes, you heard that right. Some people are born with thin gums and they're way more prone to recession. Now here's where things get interesting. I want you to imagine something with me. Think about car tires. You've got those thin, slick racing tires, and you've got thick, chunky, all-terrain tires. Which ones wear out faster? Obviously, the thin ones, right? Your gums work the same way. Some people have thick, robust gums that barely recede. Others have thin gums that wear down easily. And here's the kicker. For decades, dentists have been telling people with thin gums to brush more gently, use softer brushes, be more delicate. But what if that advice is actually making things worse? Think about it. When you brush too gently with an ultra-soft toothbrush, you're not stimulating the gum tissue. You're not promoting blood flow. You're basically letting your gums become weaker and thinner over time. It's like never exercising a muscle. What happens? It atrophies. It gets weaker. So what if we've been doing this backwards? What if we need to stimulate our gums to make them stronger and thicker? All right, here's the game-changing protocol. This is a two-step approach, and you need both steps for this to work. Step 1 is all about switching your toothbrush and changing how you brush. Now listen carefully. If your gums are currently inflamed, bleeding, or very sore, you need to get them healthy first. But once they're stable, here's what you do. Ditch that ultra-soft toothbrush. I want you to switch to a medium, firm bristle brush. I know, this sounds crazy, but stay with me. When you massage your gums with appropriate pressure, you trigger something called angiogenesis. That's a fancy word that means new blood vessel growth. These new blood vessels do two incredible things. Number one, they bring in nutrients, oxygen, and all the building blocks your gums need to heal and grow. Number two, they act like scaffolding. Imagine construction workers building a new structure. Those blood vessels create the framework that new gum tissue can attach to and grow on. But here's the key. You've got to do this gradually. Start by just switching to a medium brush with the same pressure you're using now. Then, over weeks and months, slowly increase the pressure as your gums get stronger. We're not talking about scrubbing aggressively. We're talking about firm, intentional massage strokes that stimulate blood flow. Use small circular motions. Angle the brush toward the gum line at 45 degrees. Apply firm but controlled pressure. Massage, don't scrub. Now, massaging your gums is only half the battle. You also need to create the right environment for your gums to actually attach to your teeth. Your tooth roots need a protective layer called pellicle and biofilm. This is basically a coating of proteins, minerals, and good bacteria that creates a surface your gums can grip onto. Think of your gums like rock climbers trying to scale a wall. Without handholds and footholds, they can't climb up. That pellicle layer is those handholds. So here's what you need to do. First, keep your mouth alkaline, not acidic. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Second, switch to natural oral care products. Hydroxyapatite toothpaste is amazing for this. Third, try oil pulling a few times a week. Coconut oil or sesame oil work great. Fourth, use xylitol mints after meals. This keeps bad bacteria in check and helps maintain that healthy biofilm. And here's the nutrition piece you cannot skip. Your body needs the raw materials to build new tissue. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production. Zinc supports tissue repair. Vitamin D3 reduces inflammation. Collagen supplements provides the building blocks. Omega-3 fatty acids, powerful anti-inflammatory. Quality protein. Your gums literally need this to grow. Think of protein as the bricks and the vitamins as the mortar. You need both to build a strong structure. Now let me give you some bonus natural remedies that can supercharge this process. Eucalyptus oil has been shown in studies to promote tissue growth. Just dilute it properly before using. Oil pulling with coconut oil for 10 to 15 minutes can reduce harmful bacteria significantly. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Aloe vera gel can be applied directly to gums for its healing properties. And obviously, reduce sugar. Sugar feeds the bad bacteria that cause gum disease in the first place. Every time you eat sugar without cleaning your teeth, you're basically throwing a feast for your enemies. Now, I want to be very clear about something. This natural approach works best when you catch recession early. If you already have severe recession, exposed roots, or active gum disease, you need to see a dentist first. Professional treatments might include a deep cleaning to remove tartar below the gum line, a night guard if you grind your teeth, laser treatment to promote healing. In severe cases, gum graft or pinhole surgery. But even if you need professional treatment, these natural methods can support your healing and help prevent future recession. The key is to start now. Don't wait until you can see half your tooth root. Even 1 millimeter of recession is your body's warning signal. All right, Medical Miracle family, let's recap your action plan. Step 1, switch to a medium firm toothbrush and start gentle gum massage, gradually increasing pressure as your gums get stronger. Step 2, create the perfect oral environment with natural products, hydroxyapatite toothpaste, xylitol, and oil pulling. Step 3, support your body with the right nutrition, especially vitamin C, collagen, protein, and omega-3s.
Step 4, reduce sugar and maintain an alkaline mouth environment. And step 5, monitor your progress and adjust as needed. Remember, this isn't a quick fix. This is about gradually stimulating your gums to thicken and regrow over weeks and months. You're literally rebuilding tissue. Be patient with yourself. Take progress photos. Notice the reduction in sensitivity. Celebrate small wins. If this video just changed your perspective on gum health, smash that like button. It helps more people discover this information that could save them thousands in dental bills. And subscribe to Medical Miracle for more evidence-based natural health solutions that actually work. Remember, your body has an incredible ability to heal when you give it the